Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make OBS run as administrator on your Windows computer. This is especially useful if you're experiencing issues with capturing certain windows or applications, as running OBS with administrator privileges gives it the elevated permissions it needs to function properly. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to make sure OBS isn't currently running in the background. To do this, click the Start button or the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, type Task Manager into the search bar. You'll see Task Manager appear in the search results, so go ahead and click on it to open the application. This will allow you to see all the programs currently running on your system. Once Task Manager is open, scan through the list of running applications and locate OBS Studio. If you find it in the list, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select End Task to completely close the application. This step is important because you can't modify the program's properties while it's still running. Make sure it's fully closed before moving forward. Now that OBS is no longer running, navigate to your desktop and find the OBS Studio shortcut icon. Right-click on this icon to open another context menu. From the options that appear, select Properties near the bottom of the list. This will open a new window with various settings and information about the OBS Studio shortcut. In the Properties window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Look for and click on the Compatibility tab. This tab contains settings that control how the program runs on your system, including options for older versions of Windows and administrator privileges. It's where you can make OBS behave differently to solve compatibility or permission issues. Within the Compatibility tab, scroll down until you find the option that says Run this program as administrator. You'll notice there's a small checkbox next to this option. Click on that checkbox to enable it. By checking this box, you're telling Windows to always launch OBS Studio with administrator rights, which gives it access to more system resources and the ability to capture protected windows. After you've checked the box, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Apply button at the bottom of the window first, then click OK to close the Properties window. These changes will now take effect the next time you launch OBS Studio, and it will automatically run with administrator privileges. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS Studio to run as administrator, which should resolve most permission-related issues you might encounter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.